Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be cleaning my car. This is what it looks like. We have a mess everywhere. Like, it is so bad. Like, look at these mats. Like, these mats I don't think are that bad back here, but these mats are so bad. Okay, first we're gonna use this as a garbage bag. I did just eat a little bit, but yeah, we're gonna be just collecting all the garbage. And then we're gonna be cleaning my mats also because they're really dirty. So let's take these out. Let's put this back. I just cleaned under my thing, just that. Where's the thing for this? And then the mat's on strap, that's what it looks like. So yeah, we're gonna be cleaning my mats. I still gotta wash my seats, but this is done and that side's done. While those mats dry, we're gonna just wipe down every little surface. So I just hit myself on the wheel. Anyways. So this is what the back looks like right now. This is without mats. I still gotta vacuum here and clean all this, but I'm gonna put the mats in first and then start like scrubbing. Again, ow. Okay guys, so I just finished like cleaning most of my car out, and this person next to me is watching me, but we're gonna clean my inner console out now. I don't think it needs like much like cleaning, but like I just need to reorganize it. So I have this little crock charm I think I'm gonna keep here. And I always have a pack of gum in my car because people are musty. I have an extra pack of gum because if you don't like mint gum, I have tropical twist gum. So yeah, we're just gonna like hide it all under this extra gum. And what is your favorite type of gum? Because I can't do anything except extra. I have a Target gift card. I don't know if it's been used. And then I have like gas reward cards. Because gas be expensive now. Have you not seen the prices, guys? Like, I think it's pretty clean. Like, so yeah, guys, I just did that all for free. Let me like, there we go. So yeah, if we look at the back, if it focuses, there we go. These seats still have to dry, but the mats look really clean. And then up here, the mats are really clean. Like, this is the cleanest my car's been since I've got it, which is like a year ago basically by now. And yeah. Why are the cops in this station? That they have their own gas station? I don't think I left anything. Yeah, I cleaned my own mats because there was like a little mat cleaner thing, but I am not using it. I almost hit the cops, guys. That's crazy business. You're gonna watch me fill gas? $44 someone spent. Dang. Let's see how much gas we have, guys. Don't mind that service thing. A full tank. Why are these cars watching me? Why are these people coming up to me? Am I famous? Thank you for watching today's video and cleaning my car with me. I haven't cleaned my car in a good like year and a half, so I see a difference. If you guys don't, let me know. But thank you for watching today's video, and make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a good one.